Today's fresh footage shows the Russian aerospace forces conducting airstrikes using FPV munitions against a dam located near the settlement of Pechenigi in the Kharkov region. Russian VT-40 drones conducted multiple operations in the direction of Konstantinivka. Drone operators, remaining in standby mode, quickly activated and launched their drones at high speed upon detecting enemy movement. Evading a drone traveling at such velocity is nearly impossible. Only natural obstacles like trees or terrain could potentially slow its advance. These Russian drones carry large explosive payloads and can inflict significant damage when detonated. A Ukrainian soldier was riding a motorcycle at low speed when he did not notice the sound of an approaching FPV drone from behind, and the situation escalated rapidly. An enemy aircraft-type UAV was brought down by volunteers from a ground-based counter-drone unit. The counter-UAV group of the Artillery Division from the Nevsky Brigade of the Volunteer Corps maintains continuous 24/7 airspace monitoring and control. An FPV drone targeted and struck one of two soldiers positioned at a Ukrainian armed forces trench in the Sumy region. Footage shows a Russian-made FPV drone engaging a Ukrainian soldier from the 150th Operations Battalion during a frontline operation. The drone operator tracks movement in real time, maintaining visual contact and adjusting the approach with precision. In the Kharkiv region, a Russian drone operator successfully targeted a Ukrainian ATV using a drone that was operating on a nearly depleted battery. A strike by Operational Tactical Aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces targets a temporary deployment point in the Kupiansk direction, using heavy aerial munitions to support ongoing operations. The footage shows coordinated use of aerial reconnaissance and targeting data, allowing aircraft to deliver precise strikes on identified positions. This reflects the continued integration of air power into frontline activities, where timing and accuracy play a critical role. In the village of Kazakia Lochnia in the Kursk region, operators of the Rosgvardia fiber optic FPV drone KVN neutralized an American Max Pro armored vehicle used by Ukrainian forces. Fighters from the Flame Detachment of the Volunteer Corps are shown countering and disabling 3 opposing Baba Yaga type drones during an aerial engagement. Within the area of responsibility of the Flame Unit, hostile UAV activity is actively monitored and suppressed, highlighting ongoing counter-drone efforts on the battlefield. My first video for today, April 14th, presents a full-length 34-minute compilation showcasing the work of Russian drone operators from multiple operational units active within the SMO zone, offering an in-depth look at how unmanned systems are being utilized across various sectors. The video brings together footage from different formations, each contributing segments that highlight reconnaissance missions, target tracking, and coordinated drone activity in support of frontline operations. Operators are shown maintaining continuous aerial surveillance, identifying movement on the ground, and relaying real-time intelligence to supporting units, enabling more responsive and coordinated actions. Throughout the compilation, FPV drone teams demonstrate precision control and adaptability, navigating complex terrain while maintaining stable connections and accurate tracking. These systems are used to monitor positions, guide engagements, and support broader operational objectives with speed and efficiency. The extended runtime allows for a more detailed view of how drone units operate over time, illustrating patterns of coordination between reconnaissance elements and fire support. It also highlights the scale of drone deployment, with multiple teams operating simultaneously across different directions, each adapting to their specific environment and tactical requirements. Overall, the video provides a comprehensive and immersive overview of modern drone warfare, emphasizing the integration of unmanned systems into daily operations, where surveillance, coordination, and precision engagement play a central role in shaping battlefield dynamics. The second video for today features an extended compilation of work by Russian drone operators from multiple operational units active within the SMO zone, offering a broader look at how unmanned systems are used across different sectors. The footage brings together contributions from various formations, each showcasing reconnaissance missions, movement tracking, and coordinated drone activity in support of frontline operations. Operators are seen maintaining continuous aerial surveillance, identifying positions, and relaying real-time intelligence to ground units, enabling more precise and timely responses. Throughout the video, FPV drone teams demonstrate controlled maneuvering and adaptability, adjusting their approach based on terrain, visibility, and target movement. The sequences highlight how these systems are used to support coordination between units, providing both situational awareness and precision engagement capabilities. The compilation also reflects the scale of drone deployment, with multiple teams operating simultaneously across different directions, each contributing to a unified operational effort. This layered use of unmanned platforms underscores their growing importance in modern combat scenarios. Overall, the video delivers a detailed and structured view of drone operations, emphasizing coordination, efficiency, and the integration of aerial systems into ongoing battlefield activities.